Day 53 of day trading the market open in a small account until we have enough confidence to fund it some more. And I just missed a lower band bounce. Almost. Not quite a lower band. Not quite. Morning, everybody. I'm just logging in here. Take it if it comes down one more. Oh, that's too far. I don't want that. 9, 13. Ay, ay, ay. Look at that. That's super unfortunate. Should have just took it there at 10. Garbage. Garbage. Halt down, 181, CHRO. Halt down, yeah. Halt down, 175 on SMX. That was the trade. That's going to give me another lower band at some point, though. Rally back, 180. 180, halt down for CHRO. Did I miss that 210 again? Security matters. Why I'm missing is because I really want it down at like 208. I know it's only if I take 1,000 shares, that's only risking $20, but still, especially because that trade's going at 9, risking $20 to make 90. It's a little over a 4-to-1, but still, I like it when it touches the band. Bands that make good dance. Bands that make good dance. CISO penny stock trying to do something. Oh. 54 to 58. It's a gross candle. Alright, so it looks like we're looking at maybe the right ones. Qs are positive by a little bit. There. We'll put an order at 210. No, we won't. Scratch that. It was dangerously close to getting filled there. I'm still not comfortable with the 210, especially because the lower band is just kind of fading. Oh, faded. Uh-oh, SMX. Not looking bueno for you, dog. That penny stock might be the way. 59 from 55. That 210's no longer bouncing. Alright, there it is. Small. Well, the bounces aren't aren't like this or this. And that's kind of what I was afraid of, is it's losing its steam. It needs to kind of work its way back to VWAP and then maybe take a dive. But I'll take a lower band on CHRO. Testing the 200 moving average now. Come on down. Break two and nosedive. Break two and nosedive. Come on, I'll take it down here a little ways. That's a fill. That's a nice fill, boy. Got this 200 moving average to be now a problem, though. It's got to get past 2. Gotta get past 2. Bands and make a dance. Bands and make a dance. Where are we going to take the L on this one now, though? Under lower bands, 190 tree. We'll take the L under 193. There's 2. Let's try to get out right before 2. Or not out, but let's try to cut half, reduce some risk right before 2. There's half off. All right, now this needs to break this 200-day moving average right there. That's what that white line is. Needs to break that. If it can't break that, it might be in trouble. There's green on the tape. We're going to take the rest off at 198. And ideally, it breaks this and comes and tests EMA. Pressure on our sell area. Pressure, pressure, jump. All right, well, $20 profit. Shoot, I'm all out of cheddar. I was going to take that again. Right there. Dang, man. Well, at least I guess the entry and exit were, best case scenario for that series of candles. Yeah, that's a shame. That's a shame. Take small here. This decides to dip it back again. Bands and make good dance. We really have like no front side action though, which is sad. All right. Oh, that gave me a little high of a fill there, didn't it? 196, lower bands at 192. That's unfortunate. That trade could have been better. Way better. That's a 4-cent gap, and I was balking at a 2-cent gap over here. And let's see if it goes and tests EMA. Hit that rejection hotline. Yeah, that's unfortunate. There it is. There it is. 6%. Bands make a dance. That 210 over there at SMX is really just holding the floor, isn't it? Really holding the floor. Look at that. Small seller at 206. Seller got cooked. Damn, this house is about to blow over. Alright, where did it get me at? Shoot, that got me much higher than I would have liked. Let's halt down 171. I gotta get out of this. Oh, yikes. Okay, well, break even, slightly positive. That once that 210 floor cracked, I wanted to see if it was gonna kind of like capitulate there, and it didn't. In hindsight, when that floor broke, I should have kind of expected it to fall more than 3 cents. But that's all right. That's all right. We're agreeing like less than $1. But that's all the buying power I have today. So I'm out. Let me know in the comments how y'all did. Spread love, be good to each other. I'm out of here. Peace.